The behavior of energy waves is important for biomedicine because vibrational frequencies can alter the physical and chemical properties of an atom as surely as physical signals like histamine and estrogen. Because atoms are in constant motion, which you can measure by their vibration, they create wave patterns similar to the expanding ripples from the thrown pebbles we talked about above. Each atom is unique because the distribution of its negative and positive charges, coupled with its spin rate, generates a specific vibration or frequency pattern. Scientists have devised a way to stop an atom dead in its tracks by exploiting its energy waves. They first identify the frequency of a specific atom and then tune a laser to emit the same frequency. Though the atom and the photoelectric frequency emit the same wave pattern, lasers' waves are designed to be out of sync with those of the atom. When the light wave interacts with the atom's wave, the resulting destructive interference cancels the atom's vibration and it stops spinning. To increase an atom's vibration rather than stop its movement, researchers select light waves with vibrations that are harmonically resonant and in phase with those of the atom. The vibrations can be of electromagnetic or acoustic origin. When, for example, a skilled vocalist like Ella Fitzgerald maintains a note that is harmonically resonant with the atoms of a crystal goblet, the goblet's atom absorbed her sound waves. Through the mechanics of constructive interference, the added energy of resonant sound waves causes the goblet's atom to vibrate faster. Eventually, the atoms absorb so much energy that they vibrate fast enough to break free from the bonds that hold them together. When that happens, the goblet actually explodes. Doctors use constructive interference mechanics to treat kidney stones, a rare case where the laws of quantum physics have been harnessed as a therapeutic tool in modern medicine. Kidney stones are crystals whose atoms vibrate at a specific frequency. Doctors non-invasively focused a harmonic frequency on the kidney stone. Constructive interference results when the focused energy waves interact with atoms in the kidney stones. Like the atoms in the crystal goblet example, the atoms of the kidney stones vibrate so quickly that the stones explode and dissolve. The small remaining fragments can be easily passed from the system without the excruciating pain that accompanies large, unexploded stones. The science of physics implies the same harmonic resonance mechanism by which sound waves destroy a goblet or a kidney stone can enable similar energy harmonics to influence the functions of our body's chemistry. But biologists have not explored these mechanisms with the passion with which they pursue new drugs. That is unfortunate because there is enough scientific evidence to suspect that we can tailor a waveform as a therapeutic agent in much the same way we now modulate chemical structures with drugs. There was a time in medicine when electrotherapy was used extensively. At the end of the 19th century, the development of batteries and other devices that produce electromagnetic fields led to hastily constructed machines that were supposed to cure disease. The public sought out practitioners of this newfangled healing art called radiesthesia. Word spread that these devices were very effective. In fact, they became so popular that magazines were likely to tout ads that read something like, "Be a radiesthetist, only $9.99, including instruction." By 1894, over 10,000 US physicians, as well as an untold number of self-trained home consumers, were regularly using electrotherapy. In 1895, D.D. Palmer created the science of chiropractic. Palmer recognized that the flow of energy through the nervous system is critical to health. He focused on the mechanics of the vertebral column, the conduit through which spinal nerves provide information to the body. He developed skills to assess and tune the flow of information by adjusting the backbone's tension and pressures. The medical profession became threatened by Palmer's chiropractors as well as homeopathic healers, radiesthesists, and other drugless practitioners who were taking away much of their business. The Carnegie Foundation published the Flexner Report in 1910 that called for all medical practices to be based on proven scientists. Because physicists had not yet discovered the quantum universe, energy medicine was incomprehensible to science. Denounced by the American Medical Association, chiropractic and other energy-based modalities fell into disrepute. Radioesthetists disappeared completely. The brain has long been recognized to be an electrical organ, which is why electroshock therapy was historically been used to treat depression. But scientists are now working on less invasive tools to treat the electric brain. A recent article in Science touted the beneficial effects of transcranial magnetic stimulation, which stimulates the brain with magnetic fields. New studies suggest that TMS can be a powerful therapeutic tool. If used properly, it can ease depression and alter cognition.